What's the meaning of big? Big. Big.
Big. Big. The word big is an adjective that refers to something large in size or magnitude. It can describe physical objects such as buildings, animals, or vehicles, as well as abstract concepts like ideas or emotions. The connotation of big can be positive or negative depending on the context in which it is used. For instance, someone may describe a big opportunity as a positive thing, whereas a big mistake as a negative thing. In general, big denotes grandeur, importance, and power. It is a common word in everyday language and often used to emphasize the significance of something or someone.